Awo we yakupostingira nga oyambadde culture y'embugo mu Lwibara Spice Dano Rambika. Nzijukira yali atandise okukola n'omuwala omulala. Were you aware of it?
Yeah.
Wali okimanyi nti Cephcoh alina omuwala omulala?
By then he used to tell me it's content. But aniko kunjajinga bafani bange ba followers. We see ku Cephcoh we chill stuff. But me nasala once okensibike. Ndabe chigenda maso ndabe does really Cephcoh. Ainama akobo nto. Cause I know chenakola banji banga I can't do that. Banji banga mazevo ino chowakola sola chigumikiriza. To an extent twakola video ne Joey.
When did you find out that Cephcoh was in love with Joey and not you?
We first got some misunderstandings. Now we manage a relationship. And the number is in blacklist. I was like, hey, what is happening? I slept. Then Kumacha, I have a friend. I now contact Cephcoh. And send a video. Baline Joey. Calling Joey, baby. I was like, hey, what is going on?
Ngabali wakati bali ku TikTok.
They were home.
Ngolwa china access ku nyumba ye obanga tocha sobola kugendayo.
By then I can't go to his place.
Why?
Because yasoka where I used to know na video na shifting at a new place.
Okay, so we are breaking her now. We're now shifting her to a new place.
I knew we were going to shift.
You knew that you were going to shift.
He even showed me we are going to this house. Which do you like that place? I said, yeah, I like that place. But he shifted. Ga
Takubolede.
Chinuma nti Cephcoh yelunjia and inze amfulo movie. So I had to stand up. Ningenda, yeah. Ningenda ne approaching a Joey. Nimgamba Joey. We're all ladies. So what relationship do you have with Cephcoh? Nze gwe yayiso we. Gwe yapuma obujjuga bazufe itanda.
Alright, bakwano in our TikTok edition today tulina omukyalo no w'amaanyi abantu mutandise okugamba nti ali gy'okyaza buli omu okyaza buli omu. Bwe njogera ku kigambo TikTok edition suubira okitegeera bulungi nnyo. Tulondayo TikTok omu oyo gwe tusuubira nti alina emboozi eyinza otusanyusa ate ne tubeera nga tumuleetako waneeno. Ennaku olwaleero ndina omukyala Yvonne ate nga basinga mulabyeko mu videos ne Cephcoh. Cephcoh yazizza emisango era jjere amunoonya bubi nnyo ayagala kumusiba olw'okumuvuma n'okumuvoola. Naye ng'ate olunaku olwaleero nkyazizza oba muyite ex waka we gwe yali akola naye ku TikTok oba couple eyali ekyasinza amaanyi ku TikTok awo Cephcoh yamuyisaamu luli eggaali. So nagambe ne ngamba kamuyita atubuulire ku mazima manyi abasajja abo bamanyi osala ebigambo nsanyusa okulaba. Ng'oyogera mpola nnyo.
Just went.
Botyo. Ojjukira leero ku TikTok gogamba mama wange mu Mujja mu bino. And I'm like, wow.
On TikTok, my name is they should leave parents alone.
Out of this. You're so right. Olabika bulungi nnyo. Oli ku nacho, oli ka sweet.
Nakulaba nga nokwata mu kikebe.
Wakulaba nga nokwata mu kizigo. It is so nice. Oyinza okugamba ate kati yenze nkutte mu kizigo but because of this brown hair.
Nawe oli ku nacho.
Ita video ndaba nga ate ndimu ebinya.
Nange banderisizamu.
Filters za camera.
Filter.
Camera ze bei wezi tu.
Kitegeera zirungi ababi.
I know. Mengo oli ota.
Ndi bulungi.
Oli fine. So kati abakulaba ku HK Media babuuzeeko.
Abanda ba HK Media.
Naye yongezaako ku ddoboozi.
Abanda ba HK Media. Hope you guys are great. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for following me. You always stand by my side. That's all.
That's all. Yvonne wabeera ali wali eri ku TikTok oyinza okulowooza talina nsonyi. Yo camera shy. Ate camera ya TikTok ye kubeerera fine.
It depends on gwe ndi naye.
Obeera olina boyfriend wo it is okay.
I used to be okay. Nagwe mbanga ndinzeka nga ndi bwomu. Yeah, so
you have big eyes. Wafaanana ani daddy wo mami wo?
Mommy.
Wow, your mom should be pretty.
Yeah, she is.
Camera abantu bakulabe balabe ebisho. Choka Wallahi mumanya ngeri jali mukutizinga omwana omuto babimwe balinyo kuba nti mutulaba tuli proudly sponsored by Speed Express Tours and Travels Company yakakasibu kubera ngesabaza abantu okuva buli kitundu kyegwamuga baganda baffe aba Rest Coffee Academy, Junisco Contractors and Great Finishes, Mpozate ne Calvin Kayanja Migrant Care Services. Okay. Josie nchaza ex-boyfriend wo aba muyite omusajja gwe wali okolanga naye TikTok. Nakwogerako ebigambo bingi aba YouTube aba followers bange bangambye nti nina olugambo mpakula entalo nkyazo ono nenkyazo ono nenkyazo oli nenkyazo oli kati mwagala nkole kibannange kyekiro kyenteekeddwa okukola so kati Cephcoh namukyaza last week nakwogerako awo whereby abasajja bano bamanyi osala ekigambo twagala okumanya TikTok eri etya.
TikTok is okay.
Bitambula bitya?
Si bubi.
Si bubi. Following joina yo nogifunyira Cephcoh.
I'll be honest, he's the one Yanimba platform because I was known on TikTok and I used to get by TikTok. But he could force me okola na TikTok. Force
you?
Like, not forcing me like, hey, we are
forcing.
But he would tell me.
He would encourage you.
Yeah.
Okay. Nakugamba jangu tukole kwagama nakikuyigiriza.
Because
nawe oluvanyuma n'okyagala.
Yeah, nantuka nenkyagala kwa twaita akatandika. Ngawa na mu comment section bambu mawali katono oli
naye batunulire kwako mu camera.
Oli nasco sales bichine tukanga nkaba.
Go
my TikTok ekibera ko mu comment section. There were comment jola banaye ne kutula.
No kaba.
Yeah, ni
baby ebyo bibeera mu comment todanga mu kukaaba bakazi abalungi tetukaaba. Newe bikuluma bitya olina okuguma.
Kati naguma nga ntodamu kunteka ku TikTok.
Todamu kunteka ku TikTok. That was like your very first video nje mwakola naye.
Yalia kapesa.
Okay.
That was the first video. Just kind of posting on account here.
Ngosibya ka video akampi. Short hair.
No, I had dreads.
You had dreads. Okay.
That was my first video with him.
Abantu ne bakuyisaamu eggaali nyumiza story ebyo njagala okuwulira.
But after they started loving me. Yeah, TikTok nentandika nango jagala. Whenever he make a video he tags me. Then watandika kumfollowinga like that.
Ngabantu bakufollowinga like that. Okay. So kati your first video bamaze abantu gyewakola naye. Awotandise okubimanyira. Things started flowing well.
Yatandika netambula bulungi
n'obimanyira.
Ne banjagala. Yeah, netandika nange okutandika okwagala TikTok. You know, once you start TikTok,
so kati eyakuleetera okubeera ng'oyagala TikTok yali Dr. Cephcoh. Eyakuteeka ku TikTok.
No, I was ready there.
Naye nga tokijjumira.
Nasiriimu nnyo just nkola ka video kange. Walenga nenda babaliyo. Nga sibiriimu nnyo.
So kati video zino eno mwazituwanga kumukumu. Temukola? Temulina mirimu?
By the time when natandika okwera ne Cephcoh, I was still at campus.
Ng'osoma ki ku campus?
Eduke.
So you are a professional teacher.
Yeah.
Banai, come on. That's so nice.
So meeting nga ndi finalizing.
Okay.
Yeah, katinga we back together campus because I used to go to campus for only 3 days. Nanzidayo etukala TikTok nasteka draft embasiri wona posting a draft zetu abanga nazo. Yeah, that's how we used to manage naye. Babanga tali busy, we could make videos.
Kubanga fe twalabanga videos nga ziflowinga ku TikTok ne tugamba oba bano bakola sawa mmeka. Omwami atugamba he's a professional doctor. Atudde eddagala lino erigeze eri. Ate n'omukyala naye tetumanyi kyakola naye nga tubalaba bali ku TikTok buli kiseera tugamba oba omanyifu omulimu ogwaffe munaye gwakulingiriza bantu. Ate tukyenyumirizaamu so tuba twagala okumanya exactly kiki ekyaliwo. Guys, in our TikTok edition tukuleeterayo TikTok omu gwe musinga okwagala gwe songa mugudi ogambe nti ndeetera gundi ndeetera yashipopi ndeetera ono ffe tumuleete tubeereko n'ebibuuzo bye tumubuuza ku life ye ya TikTok n'okusinziira content gwakola. Mulina video yasinga okunyumira nga mwambadde embugo. It is so African, it looks so natural, it has a lot of creativity. How did you come up with this idea?
Actually it wasn't me, it was Cephcoh. Yeah, it wasn't
TikTok mujiteramu ddala obudde okutuuka ku ekyo.
Yeah,
that is so nice.
Yeah, because bali tukole challenge yambika. Then he called me, I was home, he called me.
Ani yabawo okola challenge yambika? Manager Roger?
Yeah. So then he had to call me. Nampa that idea, ya karicho. Namugamba, hey, that would work. Tugenda tuzinonya, tujja waka
ne mugikola. Awo we yakupostingira nga oyambadde culture y'embugo mu Lwibara Spice Dan Rambika. Nzijukira yali atandise okukola n'omuwala omulala. Were you aware of it?
Yeah.
Wali okimanyi nti Cephcoh alina omuwala omulala?
By then he used to tell me it's content.
Mbu bakola content.
Yeah, but me I could read, I could watch their lives. Yeah, now omuntu okiraba nti these ones balina leka tugende wefulo omusiru to see what is really going on. Maybe alowooza nti
nze kigozi siyinza gumiikiriza oyo katala sisobola mugumiikiriza n'ogumiikiriza nga akugamba nti no Joey naye bakola just content.
Anyway, people started judging me. Wetibye ku musajja tolaba nti
yogerako nnyo bannange mpulira njagala mbifune abantu abo be bakugamba
batandika okunjajinga abafaanyi bange ba followers. Wesibye ku Cephcoh wichi those stuff. But me nasalawo nsooke nsirike ndabe kyekigenda amaaso ndabe does really Cephcoh ayinamu ak'obuntu because I know kyenakola bangi bangamba I can't do that. Bangi bangamba nze boino kyewakola sobola kigumiikiriza to an extent twakola video ne Joey. So it's ekintu kyangu though kiruma it's hurting because behind the camera tumanya ki muntu kyayitamu fe tujja ku TikTok ne tukola ebintu basanyusa but notamanya nti after that video ngenda kuddayo mu buliri bwange mu kisenge kyange nkanebirowoozeeko. A lot happened ne besobola kwogera byensobola okwesigayiza nze ng'omuntu. So I knew
wali okimanyi nti Joey gyali.
Yeah.
Mwakiise kuwa abantu platform naye ng'ate this is called the TikTok edition whereby twogera ku bulamu bw'aba TikTokers. I want you guys to get me right. Mwaze ne munumba Hadija akyaza buli omu aleeta ono aleeta oli. Look at TikTok olabe ebintu ebiriyo. Abantu abatakozesa TikTok bino ebintu mubirekere ffe abali ku TikTok si kyo baby. Okitegeera. Abantu abatakozesa TikTok ebintu bineno biri out of your league. Bino ebintu by'abantu abali ku TikTok abafollowing the stories zino abamanyi ebintu bino. That is why it is called the TikTok edition. Ate nga nawe atakozesa TikTok still osobola okujja no watching because it's fun, it's entertaining.
True.
I mean like twigiramu lessons nyingi. For example, this is about a relationship whereby nti omwana ono tubadde twagala tutegeere ku side okusinziira mukulu Cephcoh Isma bye yamwogerako ng'agamba nti yagwira eddalu mu nnyumba ng'omukwano gumuli bubi. Baby bwekyali?
Yeah, now I watched your interview with him but it's not true. But it is okay.
What is true?
No, like ekituufu kiri nti sagwa ddalu.
You were just
like
starting.
Eyagwa eddalu nandibadde ndi butabika by now. So
naye your life is moving on well. Has it affected you in any way gwekubeera nti no osuddewo TikTok love relationship yo ne Cephcoh nobeera ng'otandise okukola content ali solo? Do you feel bored? Do you think you're gonna make it?
I would say I was more comfortable with him, but I'm learning to do my videos without him. And anyway, tukola video nga ninzeka still etambula. So ntatuuka eno abataliiwo.
You don't give a fuck.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'll make it.
That's super amazing.
This main thing, without them, we're nothing. But without him, I think I'll
life still goes on.
Life still moves on.
Mama oli mugumu. So on that day omanya abantu bano bangambye nti ze ngende eno nendeeta olutalo nempakula entalo simanya ne ngende eri nempakula entalo banaye bakwano mwagala akole kikulo mulimu gwange. Sofe yatugamba ku show nagamba nti wamusaba n'omugamba nti waakiri kokole video ne Joey.
He's lying.
It's not true.
It's him who asked me to make a video with Joey.
With Joey?
Yeah.
Because the audience wanted to see you guys together. Yali demand y'abagundi y'abafollowers bamwe oba just yayagala kuswaginga mu kongera omusajja bw'abeera?
Sijjukira kulaba that request. But it's him answer nkole video ne Joey, and I believe convincing Joey naye okola nange video because I don't think Joey naye ng'omuntu yandiyagadde okola nange video. So I believe naye yaddeyo namugamba njagala okola video naye bondi bichi. Me had refused. But since I loved him and I wanted to do things that make him happy and I loved seeing him happy, let's allow let me do it for him because TikTok, TikTok, yampa platform, and if I told you to get a lot of likes or to get more followers, let me do it for him. It's just a video. Yeah.
So kati we akusindikira message nakugamba nti I want you to come home and you do for me a video this and this blah blah. How did it feel? Olwo wali omaze okutegeera nti Cephcoh alina omuwala omulala?
He didn't call me come make a video with Joey. Yangamba that nga ndi naye nga Joey wali nga I'm also there. So we were all in one place. Natugamba tukole video. I think they actually answered while I was even out. Nangamba tugenda kola ka video bichi ne Joey nangamba what? I can't do a video with Joey. Nangamba no, Yvonne, do it for me if you love me bichi.
When did you find out that Cephcoh was in love with Joey and not you?
We first got some misunderstandings. Now we managed a relationship. Then after we reconciled. That day, I think yali as my workplace. We were together. We were very fine, and that's the day we talk about video nina matter. Tuvayo tuli bulungi. I reach na dropping a bulungi kumulimu in the night. Na agenda. Calling him, asking him, have you reached home safely? And the number is in blacklist. I was like, hey, what is happening? I slept. Then kumacha, I have a friend. I na contact Cephcoh. And sindikira ka video. Baline Joey. Calling Joey, baby. I was like, hey, what is going on?
Ngabali wakati bali ku TikTok.
They were home. Nangene kamsindikira. Mgamba, oh, I love what I'm seeing.
Calmly.
Yeah. Mine's my new to be a Kuyoma.
I know.
Just calm.
Mkulaba.
Mgamba, oh, I love what I'm seeing. You guys look great. Mgamba, no, mkwanoga. He used to have a friend called Karis. No, mkwanoga Karis. So yaze waka bichi.
Ngera yegana.
Mgamba. Yaze waka fine mkwanoga Karis. But you're in the bedroom and she's ironing clothes for you. Mgamba, just stay. You're now you know. Kama he tried to convince me
not to hurt you over.
I think he never wanted to hurt me.
But he had already moved on.
Yeah, ninangamba by the way gonna kulaba ne new video twakoze za TikTok. I think yari atidozi posting on TikTok minga ashimanye ngenda zira. Then when he found out ntinzira because he had blocked me from viewing the status.
Hey.
Then I'm posting a video ka wakaso on TikTok. Name playing a call nendo zaine kale because no men basi okukonvincinga no bobadde omagala no musonyiwa
he convinced you.
Then batandika okola video nimugamba ye content for a month. You guys are still doing content. Batandika okuteka blacklist. Things started changing. Ningamba what is really going on? Then one day I watched their live. Calling them. So actually, I didn't watch the live. Ankunda ya screen recording. A friend of mine, na ajija ku TikTok, n'aginsindikira nangamba Yvonne kiki ekigenda maaso mukyayagala ne Cephcoh oba ngamba ate ki nansindikira video nga they're busy kissing on the live. Anyway, I try asking him content Africa content my dear.
Ngolwa china access ku nyumba ye oba nga tokyasobola kugendayo.
By then I can't go to his place.
Why?
Because yasoka where I used to know na gavudeo na shifting to a new place.
Okay, so we are breaking her now. We're now shifting her to a new place.
I knew we were going to shift.
You knew that you were going to shift.
He even showed me we are going to this house. Do you like that place? I said, yeah, I like that place. But he shifted. Ga.
Takubulidde.
That means
content creator.
Yeah, they shifted together. So that's how I got to know the Cephcoh. And that day when I saw that video with Joey, that's when he told me, you know, I shifted, I didn't tell you, I'm sorry, things came abruptly. I'm going, oh, it's okay. I'm going, so when am I coming to see the new place? I'm going, oh, I'll tell you.
Nyafuka, I'll tell you.
You took a Bako. Yeah. And that's how I knew to have someone else. Next thing, I'm keeping it out. Not until I woke up one day, I walked to Joey because it was really becoming too much for me. You're here, Joey is here. That you guys in a relationship. You ask him, no. Then one day Ningamba, no, Yvonne, stand up for yourself. I approached the girl in a calm way. I was like, Joey, we're all ladies. And now
what Joey approaching.
We were all at home. That day we talk about those videos, I think.
Kolere yakwita nti ojjo mukolere video with Joey. Ngomaze okumuvako mwesonyiye.
By then, twali like ngachante kamweyo thinking
nti akyakwagala nti oli content creator.
Yeah, you know it's hard to believe it and it's hard to
nganaddala ng'omuntu abadde boyfriend wo.
Yeah. So obo ngambo obo still what I don't know.
I know, love. So
I stood up, I called Joey. You know, I wouldn't be saying this, but she knew my Cephcoh yelunjia and in the Amfulo movie. So I had to stand up. Ningenda, yeah. Ningenda ne approaching a Joey. Nimgamba Joey, we're all ladies. So what relationship do you have with Cephcoh? In a calm way. Nimgamba Joey, siza kuyomba, but let's talk like girls.
Tuna kwa camera.
Nimgamba, hey, I'm Cephcoh's girlfriend. Nimgamba, hey, okay, but why is he confusing her? Why is he lying to us? Acha tulimba. Nti nze mkazwe.
Wewe ni content creator.
So
what's going
on? Joey na
Bako.
We called Cephcoh. Cephcoh naga no kuja.
Nga mwenda muli wakawe. Nga ali mu kisenge kye.
Then we all stood up like ladies. Ntumgamba Cephcoh, hey, what's going on? Bichi. Since Joey yali mkazi in the house, he had to defend Joey. Having a chance jako nengamba, so you've all along been lying to me, bichi. Yeah, I think because you get traumatized. I felt bad. I had to call my mom. I was crying. Yeah, because I cry. So that's chivao. I cried. Nenkuira mami wange. Mami wange nagamba Cephcoh. Nyambe chintu chimu kata mwana wange. Muvuge paka waka ku gate.
Your mom knew Cephcoh?
Yeah. My mom knew Cephcoh. Actually, I have 3 mothers. My real mom, my sister, my baby. So the 3 of them knew him. But my real mom, Tamla Uncle.
How long had you spent with him?
I think we are making. I think I met Cephcoh in November
last year.
So let me say we've just broken up. So.
It's like 8 months.
8 months.
Coming to a year.
They knew him because baso kamula ku TikTok. They used to call me, "Vono kola ku TikTok." So
you were forced to tell them.
Yeah, Nimagamba is my boyfriend. But they used to see nti avuma nnyo Nimagamba nze gwe njagala. Manyi tugane netwewagula bazadde. Then batandika. They used to tell me twagala mu meetinga, we talked to him. We had to go to home in Entebbe. Era mami ne papa ne batutuuza ne batubuulirira. Ne mbagamba mami about joining stuff. Ne mbagamba. Then my mom namgamba Cephcoh siri ku side ya Yvonne, but of the two girls decide ani goyagala. Instead of okulimba oli nono.
Oli muntu mukulu.
Oli muntu mukulu. Ekyo ne kigaana okolebwa. Kwaye nga taatulimba oli content. Never dde we nasalawo okubuuza Joey. That's the day I think when nasembayo laba Cephcoh. That's the day when natuka nengamba kamute.
Nalabye of recent attack postings. Is it true?
I think draft.
Oba nabadde mu account.
Nga kuliko Joey.
Nga kuliko gwe. Naye.
How was I just?
Simanyi naye video nsobola okuginoonya wano eno ningange yamulabyeko nga postings. That's why nabadde good. Nabadde first okwagala okumanya nti what's going on between the two of you.
I think that's an old video.
This is his account ennaku zino gy'akozesa, right? Ndabika ndowooza nakebedde eri endala.
Oba walabe it's a draft. Gye twakola ne Joey.
Check what happened next after pausing. So this guy is proud of having two girls on Mudigo.
Because I know kuba proud, so yeah, we're all fighting. Me as a person, simanyi bintu byakwagala muntu bitundu. Because kigenda kumpa hard time to balance.
That's nice.
I called, ugende wona tutandika opipira n'akasimu biki.
Oyagala omuntu bambi oyagala omu. Nti wagende wakakolo tewadda. N'omalayo ennaku nnyingi, so wagenda okudda ng'omusajja bamututte era agamba nti omusajja w'ennaku zino tebamulinza. You cannot stay away for all that time. Ffe tubadde tugamba nti oba omusajja wamulaga jjalira.
No. Kati kyagezaako gamba nze nave waka nengenda. By the way, tukakettera nga tubeera ffenna.
Tumulayo mu kamera.
Nga sinnabatandika kukola, but when I started working,
nobeera nga tolina time.
No, nga I sleep at school. Because nalaba nga kimpa hard time keera ku makya then ogenda ku mulimu emikoto kati nga kimpa that. We sat down. Nemugamba I would want to go. Benga Monday, Friday, nsula ku ssomero. Nga nkomawo Friday evening.
Nembeera wano for the whole weekend. Which is understandable.
That's what I used to do. But I think that gap gye namuwa mwe yafunira Joey. And bit twafuna misunderstandings. I think then nakikwesanga advantage. But what I blame is Cephcoh. At least you tell someone the truth. Instead of you kubeerawo n'omulimba kino kiri, cause tomanyi muntu nze me Yvonne, I'm emotionally weak. So it hurts, but
life has to go on. Alright guys, mbajukiza in our TikTok edition tukuleterayo TikTok oba netwogera ku relationship y'aba TikTokers oba netuletayo ku story eyasinga okubeera ng'ekwata kati ku TikTok. So guys, stop blaming me nti ate adi gy'oleese ono oleese oli olose oli. Ndi muntu w'abantu ate ng'eno platform y'abantu bonna. Tesosola mbw ate y'abaserebu tisimanyanga tukyaza bagundi bokka nedda. Eno ye platform yokka ekuwa omukisa naawe gwatali TikToker nonkubira essimu nojja n'ogamba abantu experience yo, what you have been through. These stories really inspire abantu bazaagala nnyo era baziraba nnyo. Today with Yvonne ate nga ye ex-lover wa Dr. Cephcoh mwabali ku TikTok. Couple zino muzimanyi. Apparently Cephcoh is working with Joey. Joey so kati nakyazaako luli Cephcoh n'atugamba nti abakyala banene baafuna obukubagano this and that, so tugezezzaako n'okufuna ku side y'omukyala mwennyini tulabe exactly what's going on. So gwe ne Joey kola lwe mwasisinkana, what was the reaction awo mwakolera video?
Things seem to be fine.
Ali takiina mu buzibu?
I don't know cause tosobola kumanya kiri ku mutima gwa muntu. Nange nsobola kuteekako pretense nenkulaga I'm okay. Nentekako ne fake smile nenkulaga nti yeah, it is okay with me.
Atugamba Joey bannanga ayina obusungu. Joey ayina obusungu era mbu katono mulwana.
Nze ng'omuntu I can't fight. Someone okulwana era kati ngamba okulwana of course abagenda okunkuba. So yeah, nabiraba yagamba mbu nakuba Joey, right? But obudde sibuina. I rather go and cry in the car than fighting with someone.
So now, are you okay? Are you recovering? Serious no story just to torture you emotionally. Naye kwegamba before we leave here, nina ekintu kimu kye ngenda okugamba nti abantu bwe babeera nga balina ekintu ekiriwo balowooza nti ensi ekomawo we batudde. You're very beautiful. Yeah. You're still young. You're educated. You're working. A man out there is watching you. Ochitegera, you should stop crying for men. It's not working out lately. Ochitegera. Ekyokulala, never go so low to a level of going tino kolene Mujja or TikTok video. Ochitegera, a man is not going to respect you abala banga gwe. Ne bwaba yakolera ebirungi bingi, at least yakoka respect abasajja mukatulekeremu. Toyina bwompita n'ongamba nti nze nkolene Mujja wange TikTok video. On top of that ng'ate ogaseeko okunyimbalimba. Okitegera, that was not nice. Cephcoh tetulina right yekubuleminga munanga nti naye Gwalina atagambwako oyinza okumpeerawo level ku TikTok. Oyinza kumpeerawo ku level ku TikTok naye ng'ate obulamu oba ogimpadde oba togimpadde bw'obusigala butambula. So kati babe, kyengezaako okugamba nti you're very beautiful, you're educated, you have a job. Okitegeera, guno omulembe si gwa kukaabira basajja. Omulembe gw'okukaabira abasajja gwayita. Guno omulembe gwa kukola, gwa kulabika bulungi, gwa kwetega.
Tugenda kwetega.
Anyways, so kati otuuse wane TikTok yo?
Yeah, so far we're into say.
Jolagola bayo.
Yeah, Jolaganda bayo.
Okay, apart from your TikTok, what about your social handles in Yendala? Because you have to use your platform, your TikTok, or J1 over followers, over Bunyewan, or Bazeku YouTube, or Bazeku IG, or Bazeku Facebook. Have you tried to do that?
Yeah.
Do you have a page?
Yeah.
How are you branding yourself?
I have Facebook, I have Instagram, I've opened up Telegram as well.
Naiba nayo yogera mpola. Simanyi oba nkufuna. Ate nga nze nderuka.
Nina Instagram. Yo bantu bagezezaako gifollowinga naye si nnyo. But I think netaaga okyongeramu amaanyi because TikTok yo kajjo nkyayinanga abantu bamanyi.
Call upon people to follow you.
Abantu bena abandaba. Kindly follow me ku Instagram page yange Yvonne6. Then Facebook page yange Kozesa Nakanka Yvonne. Those are my real names.
Nakanka. Oh, weddira ki Nakanka?
Nedira Kinyomo.
Weddira Kinyomo. Lya Baganda. Wow. Well, very beautiful. Tofaanana Baganda. Abaganda bafaanana nga ffe ennyinda eri eno tulabeera nawe.
Mama Miss Baganda.
Okay. Baki Banyarwanda.
Balalo.
Okay, kano ka pretty face kendaba. All right, so kati ndoza Cephcoh kirabye nti wasuba omwana w'omukazi omulaalo. Anyways, Yvonne, singa chansebeera weeri Dr. Cephcoh nakugamba nti ankyaye Joey, would you go back to him?
I don't think so.
Wasalawo wamala.
Yeah, because I've been through a lot.
Because of that. Munange nno abasajja mukola ebintu n'olaba ng'ebyokuzanyirira biti naye ng'ate you're really affecting someone's
since naye yagambye nti he doesn't want me anymore because I saw a video ke replying nze akafa hard. Nange ng'omuntu I don't think I would deserve to go back because enough is enough. Nenga, I wish him the best. Simbubi. And I thank him for the platform, for the memories we shared.
You're so kind. I will not thank you, my dear. You're the Gawamba platform.
No.
You're the Gawamba platform, and you betray me in such a manner. You treat me in such a manner. Boy, I will not cheer you out. I will not give you a shout anywhere.
No, it is okay to
I will
like
not even
fall.
appreciate you. I will just keep quiet.
Because what? No.
You're so kind, I mean.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to mean.
This world is small. I tell you to that way, right?
Ensika yetolole, ensika ebuke waggulu, ensika ekoleti.
So we time it
For as long as you treat me bad, my dear, I don't think I will ever tolerate that.
No, like change guys, because this world is small and it rotates. Inze go so we go akolachi. Time again to come when I can't even
don't know when that time is going to come.
But no days on those I can only see the candida, can be na. But in the way so we go up more would you gather the fate and about you would you gather.
Yakovo would do
no bumpy wag.
Yakovo bumpy. So from all that you have gone through with TikTok, especially relationship yo, affecting the fact that into walio mani dokola no moto. Have you thought about doing anything with somebody new?
Yeah, I make videos with other people because lately na sala ogenam dance classes about Tarzan Ivo official just to kill my stress because it's fun. So I meet them. Amana, can I make a video with you? Can I do this?
They really like you. They admire you. You inspire them and all those things.
Once you go to my page nowadays, all of them some different people. Yeah, so I'm learning
how to move on slowly.
Yeah.
I love you so much, Yvonne.
You're
so sweet.
By the way,
you really loved that boy, but he never noticed.
Yeah.
From the way how you speak, you really loved him so much.
That's why passenger said you only know your lover when you let her go. Maybe with time he realized, and by the time he would want to come back, I'll be somewhere else.
Just in case I love a video, now reacting at whatever you have said, I hope it doesn't depress you.
No, because I used to cry. I make a video, I used to cry. Yeah, nganembera ku mulimu.
Stress.
So no recent, I used to call him. Cephcoh
bannange nze no laavu njagala ngifuneko ko banjiddemukko naye bannayinze simanyi bakyala.
I think it's a family
otherwise that true love, my dear, wejjamu ebintu by'okubeera nti no stressinga. On top of that, anything that can stop me from working, nga chimpa depression, anything that takes me to depression, sagala kukisemberera. Fake friends, sibeera nabo, sibeera na bad energies, sisoma comments, okujjako lwempulira nti no njagadde, ate era wekabikuka, I reply. Okitegeera. So that is how I handle my life really. Simanyi oba eno life y'okubeera simple nga bw'oli ngisobola, onaafumba gwe nnyo next relationship. Relationship y'abantu abali strong. Ano wenkononera mu bane abalungi tigenda kubeera nga tubasibula gwe nayagala okubeera nga olina kyagala okumanya ku mwana muwala Yvonne, ate nga she's one of the tiktokers ababaddengako emabegaawo nga Cephcoh gezezaako okubeera nti namu upliftinga, however they dropped it, buli omu n'akwata ekkubo lirye. So luli yatuwa ku story n'agamba nti Yvonne yagwa eddalu nga kitegedde nti ki Cephcoh moving on. So tubadde twagala okutegerera ddala oba Yvonne yagwa eddalu oba tumwinterviewingidde butabika simanyi. Omulalu nze muyina. Omulalu nze muyina. Abana tuli proudly sponsored by Speed Express Tours and Travels company yokka. eyakakasibwa okubeera ng'esaabaza abantu okuva mu buli kitundu ky'eggwanga ate nga bano basangibwa Dubai awo. Bakolera visa esinga okubeera discounted, visa ey'amaanyi ey'omwezi ogumu n'emyezi 3 gw'ayagala okugenda okulambula. Bakolera hotel booking, bakwa transportation. We bali wano e Uganda ku Uganda House okuliraana Dahabshil B-Wing, mpoza ate gye bali mu Abu Dhabi ku Lecture Street okuliraana ADCB headquarters, gye bali e Rwanda ku MP's Plaza, mpoza ate ne baganda baffe aba Rest Coffee Academy nga bano be bakafulu mu kubangula abaana ba barista ab'amaanyi. Baganda baffe bano basangibwa wano e Uganda e Najjana Nkumbi. Abazadde muleeta abaana basome omulimu gw'omukono bagende Dubai bakole emirimu egy'ebbeeyi. Mpozi ate Dubai gye bali nayo ate mpozi ne mu Abu Dhabi obasangayo bulambalamba. Waliwo baganda baffe aba Junisco contractors and great finishers nga bano be bakafulu mu construction. Bano abaana ndi ku kyeyo njagala kunzimbira nnyumba bagikuzimbira bakwasa bisumuluzo buli kimu nga kyawedde dda, so beera ng'obakubirako ku ssimu ate nabo babeere nga bakuddukirira. Ngenda kusembayo n'omwami omusaalo ng'olukwata ng'ono akuvumula eddogo agamba nti omala kulabako n'osooka osasula. Asangibwa omukono ennamba y'essimu erinnyo mbeera ng'omukubirako bebi nga tetunnava wano. What message do you have kuba tiktokers naddala tiktok couples abantu abakola ababiri? What message do you have for them?
Chinese bagamba like nga bafunye misunderstandings, not that bana abantu balina okimanya like
tebalina bituleetera mu
public ebibeera byammwe kyo Cephcoh kyabadde akola. Whenever I have a misunderstanding najja mu camera, no one needs to know. So Chinese bagamba whenever you people have misunderstandings muswatching ensonga, remember more child, don't come out
crying for everybody.
Had I even not come out kubijja someone like oli yali akola kino oli, no one needs to know. And that's what I can tell them.
Oyinayoko ebizibu nawe ebyofunye ku TikTok?
Yeah.
Tubuulireko.
Ezibu ensinga ofuna ku TikTok is the comment section.
Attacks from people. What do they say about you?
Olabika bubi, osiwuse,
talabika bubi ntudde nawe wano Uganda.
Like, okay, people can mean to insult you. Gwalina ina sickle cells. People say a lot. Banji bajja mu comment section nga they're looking for attention. What does it backfire?
Bafune platform.
I love that. Another thing it's why it's single traumatizing on TikTok is
comparing you to Joey. To Joey. No, that would be okay. Because if they compliment Joey Mwelu, it is okay. It's true. If they say Joey Mulunja singer, it is okay. I admit. You're beautiful.
Like if a fellow girl is not chance singer, I really do admit.
Naye nga ddala okadmitting anti akusinga.
If that's what people say.
What do you feel?
Like Joey tries to is Bukola and well is something. I have a profession.
Okay.
I'm a singer.
Okay.
I have money. I'm not dependent on a man.
Oh wow.
So.
If you
don't know, so.
Okay.
Though, but I'm comparing it is okay. I'm in my own world.
Wow.
So, I know man is going to love you at Bakola.
I know man is going to love you forever. Anything has a beginning and an end.
And my simple message is to her, not in a bad way. Joey, take care, because it can simply happen to you, because you don't know what tomorrow might bring. Don't mind to go Cephcoh, you're going to be there forever. So, I mean, tell me,
speedy candies.
Because I used to see your live, whenever they comment about Chim Yvonne, there's a issue could react. Then the war with Chi. You understand? So, my dear, sorry to say, but slow down. I know Cephcoh might attack me. Why get the kujawi, but it is okay. I don't care. That's all I think I should tell her. I don't have any problem with you. I just like you, and I love you actually because
Mujja Mukwana, I will never like you.
My name is Poppy.
This girl is really very sweet.
What's going to try chimpo with TikTok is seeing a video and Cephcoh posted our draft. I'm letting her go. He can't let you be wherever you are. He doesn't want you to move on. Because we were having a misunderstandings. I didn't come out. Cephcoh chi. So I would kindly request him and I came in the can't even delete the drafts if I told he wants. I know Jay-Z, Ninja. So as well as deleting her. Like he said, fine, I'm going to distance myself from him. But provoking. I know he's looking for me. Yeah, nothing is there forever. Nothing is. No situation is permanent.
Video jikola lero next week twajera bidedda.
Ajja kwogera ayogera tuke nga nevo ngayogera ko tamuliko.
Kamama. Abakyala mwenna abali eyo nsubira kashoka banyumidde nnyo poza ate n'abaami. It is the TikTok edition and of course today we are here to bring you the best of the shows. Tulina omukyala Yvonne Nakanka ate nga abadde akola ne Dr. Cephcoh ku TikTok babadde ne kape y'amaanyi naye simanyi sitaani alina effujjo balina engeri gye ba breakingamu up ate kati tebakyakola bonna. She's solo. Go and follow her on TikTok, on Instagram, on her Facebook. Muwala mulungi era nga bw'omulabye ebigambo ebimuvaamu birungi nnyo. Ngenda kubasibula olunaku lwaleero yenze HK Media Hadija Kigozi. See you again.